Discover your musical potential at Yannis Kapa Guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. Today, in this week's video, we're going to learn about G major. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is it. So, very easy. So you just put second finger on 3rd fret, 6th string. You put your first finger on the 2nd fret, 5th string. And then you twist your hand a little bit. And then either your 3rd finger or your pinky finger, whichever is easier for you, you put it on the 3rd fret, 1st string. And this is it. Or you can use your pinky finger, as I said. And that's your G major. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.